Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Patreon. Patreon is a monthly subscription to my channel. You just pay a certain amount monthly, and you will help my channel out so I can create new videos and do more cool giveaways. Alright, so this is how you're benefited from Patreon. There are 3 tiers. The $3 a month tier, the $5 a month tier, and the $10 a month tier. So, and with each tier, you, as the Patreon, will get special features like more giveaways, more content, live tutorials, and requests from you guys. And for the higher up tiers, you can get a phone call or a Zoom chat, a Q&A, and any other cool fan requests. This will also help me fund more giveaways I can do for the main channel. So I'll do giveaways for both the main channel and the Patreon channel. But on the Patreon channel, if you're on that subscription, you will get more giveaways each time. Alright, so here's a little look at what the tiers look like. So here's the $3 tier, $3 a month. So you have cool things like more content and behind the scenes content, and obviously just general support. $5 a month tier looks like more content than usual, live tutorials, fan requests from you guys. And the biggest tier, the $10 tier, $10 a month, more often giveaways, live Q&As, a one-on-one Zoom chat, a phone call, and cool things like that. So obviously this is not a required thing. You're not required to join this group or whatever. But it helps me in the long run, and it helps you guys too, because whatever I get in here will go, everything will go back to you guys. So this will help me fund more giveaways and much more things I can do for you guys. So it'll all go back to you guys. So the link is always in the description below, as well as my Instagram. So please consider helping out. Thanks.